Assalamu alaikum dear audience. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be talking about the Restoration period in English literature, and in this video I'll discuss some important facts about the Restoration period. So first of all, we have the overall introduction of the Restoration period in English literature. The Restoration period of English literature roughly lasts from 1660 to 1688, and it begins with Charles II returning to the throne following the rules of various Republican governments that ruled England from 1649 to 1659 after Charles first was executed. So audience, now I am going to discuss the major events happened in Restoration period. So first of all, we have the first event that happened, and that is in 1642. Parliament shuts down the theatres in England. The English Parliament, which is dominated by the Puritans at this time, decides to close the theatres, and those Puritans are not going to let anyone have any fun in theatres. Okay, next in 1660, restoration of Charles II, monarchy is restored in England, and long live the king. It's officially the beginning of the restoration period from 1660. Okay, when theatres were reopened in 1660, it was a time when restoration period was starting. Okay, next in 1660, theatres are reopened. Charles II responds the theatres, and that makes the restoration playwrights really happy. Next in 1667, John Milton publishes Paradise Lost. It is the epic work of the John Milton, and Milton wrote his epic religious poem while he was going blind, and color us impressed. And next in 1672, John Dryden published Marriage La Mode. Not only did Dryden write some of the most uh, important poetry of the period, he also wrote some of the most important plays. Marriage La Mode, a comedy, was a huge hit in the theatres, and when it was first formed. Next, in 1675, William Wakerley publishes the Country Wife, and we will find some good all body comedy in this classic Wakerley. Okay. Next, in 1677, Afra Ban publishes The Rover. The first professional female writer in the history of English made her name with this play. Which play? Afra Ban published The Rover. Rover, the play which was published was The Rover. Okay. Next, in 1617, John Bunyan publishes Pilgrim's Progress. This is the famous religious allegory, and it is all about how we can improve ourselves spiritually. And next, in 1682, John Dryden publishes the Macflackno. Okay, John Dryden publishes the Macflackno. Dryden proves that he is a master of satire with his mock epic poem, the Macflackno. Next, in 1700, William Congreve publishes The Way of the World. This famous comedy of manners marks the end of the restoration period in literary history. So I think it's enough for today's video. तो इजाज़त दीजिए, खुदा हाफिज़. Thanks for watching.